Hi, I'm Rafael, and welcome to another episode of Blue Water Experience on Location. Now, if you know anything about Blue Water, you know we love waterfront property. And on Chincoteague Island, it doesn't get more waterfront than this. Whether you're looking for spacious, full hookup RV sites, or luxurious glamping options, this location has what you need. Our cottages sleep up to 6 and come fully equipped with a kitchen and bathroom. And for a truly elevated experience, make sure you book one of our rooftop deck units. Here you'll have 360-degree views of the Atlantic Ocean, Chincoteague Bay, and the NASA launch facility just around the corner. You've never seen a rocket launch till you've seen it from up here. Need something more adventurous, but want to make sure that mom still has a good time? Check out our fully furnished safari tents that come complete with a full bathroom and air conditioning. Amenities, you ask? Yeah, we've got those. How about a half-mile waterfront boardwalk? Fishing piers and kayak launches. Oh, I got one on! Resort-style pool? Yeah, we got that. Pickleball courts? Yes! Take that, Todd! Camp store? Food truck? Do you like nice bathhouses? Check this out. And don't forget the on-site rentals.
At Sun Outdoor Chincoteague Bay, you don't need to compromise on anything.
So whether you're a first-time visitor or a Chincoteague regular, make sure you check out the newest and best way to experience Chincoteague Island with Sun Outdoors Chincoteague Bay. I'll see you next time on Blue Water Experience on Location.